All right, guys. Big news for California tax sale overages. There's a bill that has recently been introduced that will limit what you can charge to recover tax sale overages in California to just 10%. Now, it's being presented as a way to protect consumers from bad actors in the space, which I get that. But what they don't explain in the bill is that if homeowners claimants don't file a claim within 1 year that the tax deed has been recorded, guess who gets to keep the money? The county. So my stance of this bill is that this is nothing more than a kind of a bait and switch. They are saying that, hey, we need to protect consumers, but the reality is, the goal is, hey, we want to keep more of this money for ourselves. That's my view. That's my stance on this. Okay, um, 1 year is a very short time period, and also the fact that there's this loophole where the counties can keep the money. It's it's not right. All right, the money should go back to the homeowners, whether they claim it themselves or whether they work through a company. That's my position. A lot of homeowners will claim it themselves, but oftentimes they'll get the notice because a company reached out to them. That happens, okay? There's nothing you can do about that. Service-based business, people can elect to do the service themselves. However, putting a cap in place, all that's going to do is it's going to uh, dissuade people from working in California, which means more homeowners are going to be left in the dark. They're not even going to know about the excess proceeds. And if they don't know about it, they can't claim it. And if they don't claim it, county gets the windfall. And I don't think that's right. So, what can you do about this? Something you can do today is you can send a letter or an email in opposition of the bill. Here's where you can send, here's an email address of where you can send that email/letter. Okay. If you are a recovery specialist and you have some actual examples of how you've helped people in California or in any state get their money, I would share those examples with the assembly member here. Um, if you're just getting started in the business, but you don't want more fee limitations, great. You can still share your opposition. You don't have to have experience to send a letter or an email, okay? To make this real easy for you, I've actually created some templates that you can use. Just DM me or comment down below. I'll send you the link. They're in a Google Drive. You can download those, personalize them to your situation, your background, your story, or stories of people you've heard or know, and send that in. This is something that you can do, that you can make a difference, and you can do it this week. So I would strongly encourage you to do that. But yeah, guys, I appreciate you watching, and I'm not surprised about this. I do believe that more regulation like this is coming down the pipe, but we can do something about it. We can make a difference, can make our voice heard, and I encourage you to do that. So take some time today, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, send that email. It doesn't take long, and it can make a difference. So again, and if you don't want to write it yourself, then use the templates I made for you. I made it real simple. So appreciate you guys watching. Catch you in the next one.